Good afternoon. I welcome our Honorable Chairman Sir, Honorable Vice Chairman Sir, Honorable Member Secretary Sir, and the Chief Coordinator Mr. Buddha Chandrasekhar of NEET Cell AICT, and also 16 edutech companies and faculty members and students from various parts of country, and also welcome our three chief guests who have been participating and evaluating the product in this kind of COVID situation with limited resource. So I welcome all the three guests, Professor Dhanpat, Professor Sudhir, and Professor Kak, for this particular program. So now I request our Honorable Chairman Sir to address the companies and the experts.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. It's very, indeed, not a very happy sign that we are all meeting at the occasion when nation is facing the crisis of COVID-19. But despite all these odds, in a very short period of time, on the appeal and request from AICTE, many organizations, many companies came forward and gave their products free of cost for students to continue to learn during lockdown when they are at their homes. So thank you very much. All the 16 companies who are onboarded, I think they have done a marvelous task of putting in their products, which they were otherwise charging, to be given free of cost to students who are there in different places in the country, lockdown. They are not able to attend their classes and colleges. They are at home. And this is the best way for making ourselves great learners, lifelong learners, self-learners. I think this is very, very significant and important. And when large number of companies came forward for giving this free, a large number of products, we had formed a committee of three eminent persons, Professor Kak, Professor Dandapat, and Professor Agashe, from three different parts, Himachal, Guwahati, and Pune. See, I think we have covered the entire nation in a way. And all these three experts, at a very short call of not even one day, I spoke to them individually, and Buddha talked to them, and they agreed and they evaluate all the products. I think nowhere else in the world things can happen so phenomenally fast. Whether a regulatory body, a government body asking for some help, some public enterprises coming forward, private people coming forward for helping, and evaluators also doing their job. And then finally, huge number of students and faculty started using them. That is, real satisfaction comes there at the end. The very fact that huge number of students started hooking on to these various products, started using them. They have some questions. They are going to ask some of those to our company friends. But more important, learning has continued, and learning should never stop and has not stopped. And that is the most pleasant thing that can ever happen. And we are very delighted despite all the odds and the problems that the nation is facing. I conclude here, and I would like to open the stage for our student friends also to ask some questions. And if Vice Chairman Punya wants to say something, Chandrasekhar, Buddha wants to say something, I think they will also pitch in one or two words. Then our three experts, they had their own problems also, but they came forward and said that we will do it. I think I'm extremely thankful to them as well, and they will also speak a few words, and then we will ask our users to raise whatever questions and issues and other things that they have in mind to improve upon what we have been doing presently to do at a much higher and better level.
Thank you very much, sir. First of all, we'll congratulate our team leader for giving us opportunity, and this type of initiative, I think within 3 days we could start. Before that one, we have started another initiative. It was in the name of NEET, National Education Alliance for Technologies. Same type of effort we have done. That time around 200 companies they have participated. Out of that, 13 companies we have selected, and a very rigorous assessment it has been done. Around 150 experts were there. That portal in the name of NEET, where Secretary Human Resource Development, he is also part of our OPEX committee. So that was a very, very successful experience. Then many proposals were coming, many free products were coming. that we would like to be part of AICT, this initiative, because NEET was something different where expression of interest, everything we have floated and then we have brought them. But now, because no time was there for UI and all, we have requested our experts. So first of all, three experts, Professor Kak, Professor Sudhir, Professor Ganpat, thank you very much that within no time you could complete this assignment. And 16 companies, and where number of products are 26, no? 26 pre-products are there. In addition to this one, these products are basically meant for students for improving their employability, their confidence building, their coding skills, their language. In addition to this one, during this 1 month, actually many initiatives, digital initiatives AICT has taken. One very important, it is related to technical teachers training. It is in the name of NITTT, National Institute on Technical Teachers Training. And Professor Khicha is heading this committee. They have created 8 modules, and those 8 modules are available on 2 portals. One is on SWAYAM, another one is portal created by NEET Chennai. Thousands of teachers are getting registered, and now pedagogical training is made mandatory by AICT. Any teacher who is joining this teaching professor in technical education, they'll have to take this certificate that pedagogically they are quite sound, even in their respective core areas where they'll be imparting teaching. In that area also, they'll be going into the industry for the purpose of training. And then for 6 months, they'll be doing teaching, but under the guidance of some senior teacher. So that initiative is also working well. And 1 semester part on 8 modules, it is online. Then another initiative of AICT, which is also doing well, it is in the name of AICT Teaching and Learning Academies. Under this one, in emerging areas, we are conducting training programs. Last year, 200 programs we have conducted. And this year, because this corona issue came, we have started training programs online. And 28 plus 26 plus 18, 44 programs, it has already been approved by Honorable Chairman, sir. And those programs are happening in the country. Then imparting training to teachers for implementing the induction program scheme, which is for students. That program is also going online. So that is also very successful. Then on exam reforms also, Professor Ashok Setter, he was leading that team. They have prepared the policy on exam reforms, and now training programs are going on these exam reforms. Around 100 teachers will be taking training starting from yesterday itself, from 15th of April to next 5-6 days. So many initiatives online we have started, and this portal, the products which these 3-man committee they have selected, it is available on a portal, separate portal which we have created. It is free.aict.org. And as Chairman Sahab was saying, response is very good. Many students are benefited with this one. It seems that due to this problem which came, this corona issue came, as far as our online education is concerned, our AICT confidence level, it has gone up. And yesterday, Chairman Sahab was saying that even this approval process, which physically we used to do, Prof. was is knowing, was the part of our AICT Executive Council. So probably that part also will be doing through online. So hopefully the shape of the country, as far as the education, online education is concerned, it is changing. And our future, it seems, quite bright. Many people are joining hands all together, and this is CSR from these company side. So again, best wishes to these companies. Also hope in time to come, that NEET UI will come. Some of the products we may be taking on NEET depending upon the quality of those products. Best wishes. And best wishes to all these friends and teachers who are joining today. Please ask maximum possible questions. So if any confusion is there, any queries is there, it can be clarified by these 3 experts who are available.
Thank you very much, Chairman sir and Vice Chairman sir. As you already know that we received more than 4.5 unique student requests in last 2-3 days time. 4.5 lakhs. 4.5 lakhs requests from unique users accessing, but most of them are using mobile devices. I think we could prepare some kind of fine-tune your product. But along with that, we have another portal called helpline. Maybe let me share my screen and show you. have created a portal where we are connecting the help givers and help seekers. So we have created this portal within 3 hours time. It's called helpline.aact-india.org. So where the student can select his location. In this case, I'm selecting New Delhi. We can select the location and we can seek for help. So here, if you see, they can seek for help for class related or placement related or all online virtual classes.
So your voice is not clear, sir.
And seek help from various different segments within education domain. So the like class related, placement related, online virtual classes, scholarship related, etc. So in this case, I'm just showing you an example. If they want to know any online virtual classes in Delhi, so they can see the expert name and the department and the city they are from, and you can contact them directly, and you can see the nearby location and the institute they are from, institute or NGO, and they can, if in emergency, they can click on the contact form. They can fill in the contact form. It's not only for students, it's for institutes, and teachers can also use the same system. So I request you please go through this portal and try to add this link to your website, because this is very useful entity for all 33 crore students we have in India. So any student, if he wants help, they can come to this website and they can seek help and they can contact the nearby help on the nearby college or nearby NGO. So we have given different, I mean, as you know, in India, we have a lot of beautiful languages. With help of Google Translate, we translated this entire website like how we did for our free courses website. So we have such options in place. So with that, I request our esteemed panel to take over from here. Yeah, I request Professor Cock, can you please share your thoughts about the products and your vision about the online education, sir?
Sure, sir. Very good afternoon to all of you. My congratulations to AICTE, to all the leadership of Professor Sastbuddhe, Professor Punya, and Buddha for taking it up and making it successful in such a short period of time. We pitched in whatever little we could do, and the most beautiful thing was that the response has been good, and the response is the most important thing to understand. Regarding the kind of event that is going to happen, having these free resources, I believe that this is one of the most important things that is indicative of the future of education. Education is going to be out of the four walls. It's going to become more and more an advanced issue of collaborative learning and cooperative learning and learning online and self-learning with a lifelong learning mission. So all these 4 or 5 particular issues are going to be tested, trained, and the students have an opportunity to get trained in this particular area. Some of the products that have been this thing, I thank the companies for coming up with this content. I thank them for introducing some AI in some of the contents and the assessment part. But what is the most important thing is that their voluntary ability to help us in making this available to the students at such a short notice and making it available free of cost. So I'm glad that people are going to use this. People are going to have a wonderful experience, I hope. And at the same time, I expect that we shall have a solid amount of data of the participants, what they have done, which courses they wanted to attend, how much time they spent on those particular courses, and more importantly, what products became more and more useful and which products were of great help to the students. Of course, we are not doing any assessment at the present moment, but I think this data will be good enough for us to understand so many things. That's all at the present moment. If there are any questions, it will be a pleasure to answer them. Thank you for inviting us. Thank you for making us part of this particular journey. Thank you.
Now I
Hello.
request
We
Professor
request Professor Sudhir
Agastya
to address, sir. We request
Good
Professor
afternoon.
Sudhir to join.
Yeah, I hope you can hear me. Good afternoon
Yes.
and congratulations, because now there is a paradigm shift from talk and talk to connect and learn. And I'm particularly very happy because I'm involved in this virtual labs project since 2009, and I have seen a lot of difficulties in the mindset of learners as well as mindset of faculty members. Now, this unique opportunity which is being provided by AICT with the help of all our esteemed companies, this is going to be a great opportunity because world is changing, and in that changing world, I have few suggestions for those students. Though we are not collecting the data, we are not assessing the data, but I have few suggestions for the students, those who are participating in this exercise. The first and foremost thing is there is no eye-to-eye contact with the teacher, and your commitment only can be or can lead to success. And that's the only motto with the help of which you have to join these courses. The second most important part of this entire learning process is it is at your pace. And that's the reason whenever you feel like learning, you can start learning. And I'm sure the outcome of this learning would be phenomenal. We'll keep on working with AICT. I thank the AICT authorities for giving us an opportunity to be on the panel, but we all are particularly happy that we have started this session. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. So I request the next guest to address the participants.
Yes, a very good afternoon. I am
Good afternoon, sir.
Samarendra Dandapat, professor of EEE IIT Guwahati. It's very nice to see that AICT has launched this free learning portal this time of crisis. Already, the general benefits of online learning are like learning at your own pace, in the comfort of your home. You can learn or view the recorded versions. But apart from this, another important thing, this online learning is going to be the future learning modality for all of us. As we know, the technology world changes very fast. Of course, this is true for any thing in the world that changes. Our learning process needs to be very active. Sometimes we may not have experts, teachers, or trainers locally available. So we can take benefits of the experts, trainers, or teachers through this online learning. Of course, we'll have to adapt to new technology so that we can overcome the situation such as the present situation has occurred, like this virus problem, where of course we are compelled to learn online, and also we have to learn the new things in an online manner that will help us adapt to the new technologies time to time. Okay. What I want to say about what is online learning or one benefit. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for addressing. I request the company representative to start addressing. I request representative from Protein to start the session.
Good afternoon. I was saying, I'll begin by saying that adversity has brought us all together to demonstrate unity in diversity and sort of do something about it. So Protein is a globally acclaimed mobile and web platform for students to unlock their true potential. First is it has 3 complementary tracks to get students to be career ready. So the first track is about awareness of oneself. The second one is about awareness of the career landscape. And the third is awareness about their own fit into these two. In the awareness of self, what we have is a combination of different assessments of aptitude, personality, multiple intelligences, and occupational interest inventory, but in the form of a gamified quiz assessment that will get students to unlock their strengths and interests. All this can happen in the space of about 20-25 minutes. What students also get to know about oneself is what is the value of the subjects they're studying in the real world of professions, and they could be any subjects of study. They also get to know, aside subjects, what is the value of some hobbies that they may have in the real world of profession. The next piece in Protein is about awareness of the career landscape. Now here what we have is a personalized view to the career landscape where they know what are the different industries that are suited to their strengths and interests and what are the different career suggestions. We have a repository of over 600 plus careers and they get to see personalized fitment into all of them. The next piece is the awareness piece in terms of providing detailed information about different careers in multiple languages. India is a very diverse country. So, we have repository and converted it into many different languages so that it's useful to as many people as possible. The third and pretty vital from a learning point of view is the experiential piece. So what we have is for all the 600 plus careers, we have created skill-based tasks, over 3,000 of them, and which way by doing them, students can experience different professions such as mechanical engineering, aerospace engineering, health sciences, architecture, so on and so forth. And also get to know different students who are kind of, having interest or role playing the same profession. What happens because of this engagement is students get to see deeper insights based on their strengths, based on the learning guidance that comes over from the platform. There's a built-in academic tracker so that they can keep track of their progress over time. And also link it to a goal tracker where they would see, from multiple points of view, how are different careers suited for them. What I showed is you as a glimpse of Protein, but there are many, many other things that are there. We have created something like a career readiness solution where, students can create an automated resume that computes their career quotient. And we can also get into certification and training programs for learning as well as skilling, which are non-vocational. They are based on the learning framework as well as the skilling framework, which is globally relevant. Specific to our participation in this program, this is the information piece available on the AICT website. And students can get to see here what all is available for them as free. We have even extended this to help them, have a pre-placement training facility of how to use the tool for, preparing for campus interviews. And we've also included free and orientation program for the skilling certification. My little team. Specifically for students, all they have to do is sign up with the code AICT and they can get, going on this. Lastly, I would like to really thank all the, distinguished and honorable members of AICT as well as the panel members and everybody else who is participating in this for providing us the opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. You can stop your screen sharing. I request Mr. Abhishek to share your screen and start the session. Mr. Abhishek Benzel from Start Tech Academy.
Hi, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible, Mr. Abhishek. You can continue.
Yeah, so this is the single summary screen that I want to discuss. First of all, thank you AICTE and the NEET team for giving us this opportunity. I am Abhishek Bansal, co-founder and instructor at StarTech Academy. We are offering this course titled Diploma in Machine Learning with RStudio. This course is aimed at upskilling the Indian youth and to get them ready for the increasing number of jobs in the field of analytics and machine learning. So if you are a student who wants to have a career in the field of machine learning, or a working professional who wants to expand on the existing set of skills, this course is for you. In this course, we cover all the popular machine learning models, starting from linear and logistic regression to some really advanced models such as AdaBoost, XGBoost, support vector machines, etc. Students will learn the concepts behind these models, and they will also learn how to implement them in a popular software tool called RStudio. This course will take nearly 12 to 15 hours to complete, post which students will also have a multiple choice based quiz which they have to pass. This course is hosted on a website called allison.com. You can enroll and access all of the course content for free, but the certificate of diploma is issued by Allison, for which you need to pay some amount. So you can complete the entire program without paying anything. Use it in your CV also. But if your employer asks for a certificate, only then you may buy it. So that's about the course. This course is taught by me and my partner Pukhraj. We both hold engineering degree from IIT Roorkee and MBA degree from FMS Delhi and IIM Ahmedabad respectively. We also have over 4 years of analytics consulting and teaching experience. In fact, our online courses have been enrolled by over 3 lakh students worldwide. So we look forward to more students joining us and learning from our courses. And probably if the panel seems fit, maybe we'll host some more courses on the NEET portal. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Abhishek. So I request Mr. Pawan from Skyfi Lab.
Hello, everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank AICTE for giving us this opportunity. So Skyfi Labs is the one of the world's leading experiential learning platform, where we develop experiential courses for students, which is where students learn by actually building products. So in addition to the theoretical knowledge, they will also be getting a lot of practical knowledge, where they actually by building products, right? So we have given 5 courses. Hello, am I audible now?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So we have given 5 courses as part of this initiative. One course is on machine learning using Python. The second course is data analytics using R. The third one is for civil engineering students on structural and foundation analysis. The fourth one is for mechanical students who are interested in CAD. CAD using Autodesk Inventor. And the fifth one is for students who are interested in IoT, called IoT using Arduino. For this, they need to have an Arduino board with them. All the other courses, they don't need any hardware. They can just do it if they have a computer with the working internet. All the A to Z of it will be part of the course. The course includes theoretical concepts. The course includes practical sessions. It includes what are softwares you need to download. All of them will be explained as part of it. And students will be able to do it. So we have students from about 40 countries who have been learning on our platform. and it's been going great. We see about 80% completion rate. I'm sure, Professor earlier was also talking about how students will be able to use the online platform, and because there's no eye-to-eye contact with the teacher. And also we have spent a lot of time in optimizing, all of that kind of things on our platform. And we are able to achieve 80% completion rate of the students who enroll into our course. So I hope students will be able to use this platform, and the courses we are offering, and along with the other companies who are also offering, and they'll benefit a lot, in this period of time. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Pawan. Now I request from International Assessment Accreditation Alliance, Mr. Manas.
Yeah, hi. I'll just share my screen.
Yes.
So in IEEE, what we do, we are a group of experts who are working in industry or who have worked in industry for at least 20 years. So this becomes a greater strength or this pours greater strength in all our products, because all these industry experts, they're directly pouring in their industry experience or their industry knowledge which they have gained into these courses. So this makes the courses highly helping students to become highly industry ready. So immediately we have seen, so we have got 1200 students or various industry experts learned from us in past 1 year. So we have seen the 90% success ratio is there. So the people who are laid off or who are fired from various companies due to non-skilled or due to lesser skilled things, so they have got immediately next job, or they have got hired immediately next role. Students who are looking for their first job, they have also got a good kind of salary and good company, their dream company. So that's how IEEE is delivering services to students and working professionals. So about our products, we have got 150 various products which address a particular gap or a particular area wherein student needs to get upskilled and then be a market ready or be industry ready. So we have got assessment also conducted after each course. So this assessment and certification part helps industry. So we have personally discussed with so many HR heads and so many hiring managers in industries. So they have communicated that these assessments and certifications really help us so that we can invite the candidate for interview. So that makes their life also easy. About the programs which we are offering under EICT window or this COVID-19 window. So CST Pro is one program. So this is the software testing professional program we are offering. So this program makes a candidate ready, or this program unleashes all the things which are there in software testing world, so that he becomes immediately job ready in software testing. Another is Agile CSA, so Certified Agile Scrum Associate. So in this program, we address all those things which are required for an individual to get hired into IT industry and to work in Agile stream. So this program can be taken by people who aspire to become developer, tester, or MBA graduates who wish to get into Agile things. LEAP is a very comprehensive program, learning. Hello. Yeah. So learning excellence and progression. So in LEAP, we take we cover all 5 tracks of IT industry, which makes student immediately ready for hiring. And our LEAP students, they are selected by tier 1, tier 2 companies across the globe. So yeah, that's how. If you have got any questions for me, I'm happy to take it. Otherwise, I'm done. Thanks, AICT team, and thanks, Elango sir, for this opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Now I request 361-degree Sagai Raj to address the gathering.
So good afternoon once again. This is Terence. At the outset, I congratulate all members of the AICTE and the lead for coming up with such a wonderful initiative. A big ovation to all of you, sir. And I represent 360 Minds. We are a technology-led learning and education company. We are into online learning since 2010 and use our own proprietary platform for delivering learning programs. When we started online learning programs, we believed that online learning is not just about streaming faculty videos. There's a whole lot of other things, and we believed in that. We continue to do that. Also, one more aspect, it's not about how many people join the program. It's about how many people complete the program and what is the learning outcome. So these are certain things that we are very particular about, and we've been practicing that for many, many years. So we have over 100,000 learners from 23 countries doing 80 plus programs, 20 nationalities undergo training with us, and there are various programs that we've been offering. So we are a BITS Pilani alumni company, and we've been into extensive research on learning sciences, particularly in adult learning and remote learning, how technology can be effectively used in learning. The reason why I'm highlighting it here is that all the programs that we offer, whether it is short-term in nature or long-term in nature, the programs are backed by the research that we have done. We have formulated close to 700, 800 principles, and we apply the learning principles and remote learning principles into all the learning programs that we've been offering. Coming to the programs that are offered for the NEET initiative, though we offer many programs, and we've also given a set of more programs to NEET. Of course, these are programs which are currently live in the NEET free platform. For categorization's sake, I put it in business analytics and information technology, though the programs in business analytics also relate to IT. So we offer a Java programming program, which is a base programming coding language for any techie, any student who is aspiring to get into IT. It continues to be so, though we have various other technologies that have come, various programming languages that have come. Java continue to rule. Hence, we thought we should give Java programming as a program to these learners who are going to get benefited from these programs. And in the business analytics side, we offer Big Data 101, R programming, and Statistics 101. So basically, I also urge learners to look at Big Data 101 and Statistics. Let them look at doing all the programs. The reason being, business analytics is not just about technology. It's about statistics. It's about understanding business. There's a whole lot of science behind it. So we want to give whatever best we can to the learners. So we offer Java programming and the suite of the business analytics program, which is Big Data 101, R, and Statistics. The faculty who have delivered these programs are who's who of analytics and technology in India. You know, when I say, for example, I urge learners to look at Big Data 101 program, which is actually delivered by a very senior technology expert who is heading the business analytics practice for one of the large organizations in India. And out of his experience, he has shared his thought on Big Data 101. So it's going to be very, very useful and relevant for learners. So I urge all learners to look at doing this program, not just these programs, the programs offered by all our colleagues who are offering the programs here. Now, the 361 Edge, we offer programs in emerging technologies, you know, be it the Kafka Scala kind of programs that are in need, or anything in cloud computing. We offer various technologies. Biggest advantage is anytime, anywhere, any device learning. So this means people can learn the program from their desktop, laptop, mobile app. They can learn the entire program using a mobile app. Programs are designed by experts who are all certified and invited speakers by many forums and conferences. So experts who have designed the program. The platform is very robust and user-friendly. So this is one platform which also integrates AR, VR, and we also build AI-led solutions. Assessment and certification is an integral part of all the programs. So learners will be assessed, learners will be certified. And the programs that we are talking about in this forum are definitely career job oriented. So that is something which I want to highlight here. So if you look at what the learners will get, that slide I'm not able to share, but I can tell you. As a part of the program, learners will experience recorded sessions by experts. There will be live sessions by faculty members depending on need. They will have assignment and assessments, academic support all through the program. At any point in time when a learner is little not clear about a particular topic, they can always get in touch with us, and we provide academic support all through the program. Mobile app-based learning, if learners want to learn programs through mobile, they can make use of this. Particularly during these times, it is going to be very, very useful. We also offer case studies and mini projects as a part of the program offering, and that comes from industry experts. We give case studies and mini projects. We will also from time to time have industry experts come and share their practical experience with learners, because we want learners to get benefited to the best, and there's no better way than giving inputs from industry. So there are going to be guests who will come and do sessions. We will have doubt clearing sessions from time to time. And because this is online learning, it is imperative that we give a 24/7 tech support. Anytime they have a technology support issue, in the learner platform, there is a technology support desk where they can click and they can resolve their technology query immediately. And yes, for certain variants of the program, we offer placement support depending on the need from organizations, which we list on our website. We request students to come to the website and look at the placement support page. Requirements from organizations which are listed in the site. If it is relevant to them, we'll be very happy to post their resume to those companies and look at supporting them in these initiatives as well. So that's it from my side. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Now I request representative from Grey Atom, Mr. Irish, to address the participants.
So first of all, I hope all of you are 100% safe and sound at your home. My name is Mayuresh Shilotri. I am a co-founder of a company called as Grey Atom. We are based out of Mumbai in Maharashtra, Thane, India. Sir, I am an alumnus of IIT Madras. I've been working for the last 15 years. Essentially, I've been a data scientist in the past life. I've had a stint where I've been a data scientist myself. Just to give you a very, very quick background about Grey Atom. So we have been in operations for last 4 years. We've upskilled more than 6,000 students across formats, classroom, online, business to business transactions. We've done all of that. A good 1,500 of them, we have had them seen a career transition in AI, ML, and data sciences space. We are ably guided by Dr. Balaraman Ravindran, who also is heading the NPTEL initiative and is based out of IIT Madras. Great, thank you so much. That's all about Grey Atom. That's about me. Coming to the problem that we essentially are solving for the industry, for the whole of this country, is that first of all, we have had a very deep insight and understanding of how Indian students essentially learn, especially the tech and the technology. How are they essentially learning? What are the challenges where they are getting stuck? What are the key opportunities which are only unique for the Indian students and across mediums, whether it is classroom, whether it is online, remote mentoring? What is it that is so special with those students? Because there's definitely something special, and how we can really unlock. So this is something that we have brought for the students who are right now in campus, who are possibly graduating, and given the situation and the employability scene, things are going to be a little tricky. So it's for them. We have a homegrown platform that belongs to us, and that is essentially our proprietary. So we essentially do that. So the solution essentially that we have is we have a very strong industry iterated curriculum. The part that we have opened up is the Python for data science and also data science for beginners. It is the entire curriculum which we exhaust across a 6 to 9 month duration at this point in time. It is completely open. You can also upskill, and if the student feels the need that he or she needs to access the mentor, he or she needs to have sessions going on. So we have a very, very starter friendly package, which is completely a doable thing for people across campuses and also laterals, where you get 48 live industry mentor sessions, live and industry mentor sessions. So these are people who are actually data scientists at this point in time, working in different companies, and who have a very relevant experience in a 3 to 5 year experience bracket. They're not like someone extremely senior or dated, but who are really relevant in solving the problems that are relevant at this point in time. Great. I think that's pretty much it. Our philosophy in life for the company is very, very simple. Our reward is your success, and your success is your career transition. Yes, you can get certifications, you can put them on your CV, on your LinkedIn profile, but your real, true success is your career transition. This particular program is 100% free. There is nothing hidden, conditional, anything of that sort over here. You can use it in your resume, in your portfolio, and you can go back. You can also upgrade to the paid platform, where you essentially get access to the mentors, and that comes with a 7-day money back guarantee. So be rest assured, it's 100% risk free. Thank you so much. I'm going to wrap up right now. Once again, I would like to thank AICTE, Dr. Sahasrabudhe, and all the respected members of AICTE for making this happen in this short period of time. This is unprecedented across the globe. Thank you so much. Stay safe.
Thank you, Mr. Mayresh. I request Mr. Shankar Raju from eBond Technologies. Mr. Shankar Raju from eBond Technologies, you can address the gathering now.
Yes, sir. First of all, I'm very much thankful for the AICTE, the members, for giving the opportunity. Basically, I'm a founder and CEO of eBond Technologies, and myself, I'm a solution architect, and have lived in United States, Chicago, working for one of the top corporate company for 18 years, and I came back to India. Also, I was a mentor, kind of acting as additional professor in the University of Chicago to address the students and the employment skills. So I had basically it's a fashion towards skilling the students. That is where we build this product called Programming Workbench. I'm about to share the screen, and I want to go through that product just a high level. So its product mainly is built with a lot of there is a lot of data in it, and then sorry, I'm trying to stop the voice. And mainly it covers with the students, faculty members, and management. This is basically meant for regardless of their branch and the age group and all that. This is basically defined such a way that where a layman can able to come and learn the programming. That is how it's designed, completely with respective of their current stage or the background of the education background. Anyone can able to get in and start learning the programming. That is how the system is built with a lot of real life examples and storyboards, a lot of digital content in it, which comes with algorithms and visualization, and the coding patterns, and need for the programming need towards the problem solving ability. And we also call that as it's a programming is not just a software technology something, and it's rather extension of mathematics, which is desperately required to basically address the need of current market and the future needs. So what we cover in the product in high level, it builds with adaptive learning with a lot of modules, a huge content and visualization, visualizations and digital content. And it also builds with more than 20 plus compilers, which can able to basically understand most of the programming languages and help them out. And also built with a lot of huge number of thousands of hackathons inbuilt, where a student can able to learn and able to get ready for the current market challenges. And there is a lot of inbuilt self-learning and self-assessments where they can able to see, how far they are good with and what needs to be done next. So it also contains moderate learning techniques like in our platform, one can able to really scan through and able to visualize the entire Java or C kind of programming in a few minutes, in less than 5 minutes. So we have mind maps which pretty much can explain, the visualization fact, and able to really grasp the entire subject and able to keep it in mind on a high level, and then start thinking about the importance towards the particular modules. And it has a lot of video lectures and practice modules and inbuilt browser-based compiler and assessments together, so that the journey goes on in all respects. So it's not just having content; it's also combined with a lot of practical things like they can practice and able to assess and challenge, able to see the leaderboard, like how many people are doing it and where they stand right now. All these are inbuilt. Finally, once this basically these are the things that we offered for free, and we would like to just even offer for students who can able to complete that and go next level. There is a project development phase inside, which is completely built with the browser based. Our platform can able to help you with building advanced projects like a Java with MySQL, with a lot of frameworks within the browser. And similarly, with a lot of frameworks, you can able to build a data science and AI and machine learning projects. So this is equipped with all this in one platform. So for a student right now, so what we offered, the basic programming languages, and we would like to extend the people who can able to complete it and to some of them. But the product has a capability of pushing it forward to the next level. The people who are willing to learn and they wants to do their industry related projects in life. Next thing is it has academic labs, which is basically part of the universities, colleges, where they can configure and make everything digitalized and then able to print and put it into their academic records instead of to eliminate the handwritten process. And also it has a certification process. Once the minute when they reached out to silver or gold, there is a medals inside, which I'm going to show you now. So once they reach out to that certain level, they can able to print that certifications for free. That is also automated right now. And then we also have a CRT program, which is pretty much a 360 sides of the skill level of the student. A system able to can help with their theoretical knowledge, coding expertise, and communication, like GDs or their essay writing skills. That also is inbuilt and based on from top 50 corporate companies. So we have a huge library who somebody who can able to test themselves and see where they fit and where they fail. We also have aptitude module built in, which comes with the mathematics, also solving this problem using Python. Also has a huge quiz library where you can cover all these 50 companies. Finally, this module going to give them live that where they stand, whether they are in red, green, silver, or gold. This means that somebody just started. Green means they are doing well, and then the minute they go to silver or gold, they can able to print their certification. That means they are kind of doing well and industry ready, and there is basically aligned towards the technical skills aligned towards the employability readiness. So right now, the courses which we basically enrolled for free will be active till end of May, and we'll see that how things goes, and we are happy to contribute more. That's all from my end. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Shankar Raju. I request now Representative Dr. Das Gupta from Globsin Business Solution to address the gathering. So I kindly request everyone to stick to your time so that we can maintain the time throughout the session.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Dr. Sabyasachi Dasgupta, Faculty and Professor of Marketing from Globsin Business School. And I also take care of new initiatives of Globsin. Globsin, hello students. I hope you're all listening. And I thank AICTE for giving us this platform to give us some of our courses, which will be very specific and discrete to the students' specific needs. Globsin for the last 2 decades have been technologically driven with corporate orientation and a strong focus in research. As far as technology is concerned, we at Globson already have an e-portal where it serves as an academic dashboard, taking into consideration everything from attendance, PPTs. That's how life at Globson is. However, prior to attending these classes at Globson, every student who enrolls for Globson for PGDM programs compulsorily goes through foundational courses, which popularly are known as Globson Business School Online, or GBSO, where there are 4 courses. Namely, these are digital marketing course, where we teach SEM, SEO, website analytics, and then we have got something called Industry 4.0, where we have AI, Internet of Things, virtual reality. So technology and application both from a managerial perspective. Then we have something called performance management and competency mapping, where we offer monitoring, mentoring. Then we talk about appraisals, competency mapping. We have something called financial markets and investments, where we talk about assets and portfolio management. 5th course, which is coming up in the AICTE portal, would be, and for our GBSO, would be product and brand management. In the AICTE portal, we already have digital marketing and performance management and competency mapping already live, and the 2 other courses, Industry 4.0 and financial management courses, will be coming up soon. Looking into this COVID situation, the management of Globson has taken a decision that all these 4 courses, which are provided to students only on enrollment and forms the basis of their 2 years PGDM program, would be open to every MBA aspirant in the country only for ₹1 per course. As an institute, we are strongly oriented towards beyond education, social responsibility, and the ethos of the school has been to make students productive. And this is where we come up with these 4 courses, which are very specific to the student need. We think that this will make every MBA aspirant in the country very, very productive while they are at home. In fact, all these are very contemporary courses and would definitely serve as knowledge base to future MBA aspirants. We have chosen faculty members who have designed these particular courses absolutely for the need of the students, so that they can be industry ready and industry running in the future. So these courses are now given to every MBA aspirant in the future. So in the lines of Globson, I, from the faculty pool, would like to tell every student to take part in all of these courses. And obviously there will be certification given as a foundation course with Globson, and you can align yourself with all these courses. And hence, students, you will be given modules, specific modules to work on, and you can come up with fantastic results and make yourself absolutely ready for the future. So I would like to tell the students, be productive, be safe in this environment, be positive, enjoy the Globson learning experience to strengthen your future in the industry of the future. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Das Gupta. I request Mr. Prajwal from Great Lakes E-Learning Services to address the participant now.
Hello, everyone. Hope everyone's doing fine. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, AICTE and team, for inviting us here and giving us an opportunity and platform to showcase what we have in our free model. So I'd like to present my screen here. I hope you guys can see it. So yeah. So we are Great Learning, part of Great Lakes E-Learning Services, and we are based out of Bangalore. And I am the head for Great Learning Academy. So I head this free initiative platform of ours, in which we are giving away some are part of our products as skill development courses to students, especially targeted at students and also freshers who can make use of it. So what are we? So we are an e-learning platform, and we have 500,000 learners from more than 140 countries. We have outreach globally as well. We have good course ratings from our users, and we have 3 million plus monthly views on our all combined, platforms that we have. So as a part of Great Learning Initiative, in these times we have opened up something called as Great Learning Academy, wherein which we are providing free certificates for course completion as well, and we have courses for more than 35 topics, right? So we have total combined learning of 300 plus hours of learning content in 30 courses. So some of the domains are data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, marketing and finance, big data, IT software products, and also we provide popular case studies as well, which is available on greatlearning.in/academy. One can just click on the link and just figure it themselves out. So the product that we have here is absolutely free for learning, and as well as earning a certificate of completion once you finish the courses. Now each course will have a separate quiz section and also learning videos which has been put up by our top experts. Apart from that, what makes us different? So firstly, our free products include lectures and tutorials from top selective faculties who have deep and vast experience in their respective fields, right, and domains. Considerable experience in delivering online learning and students, which makes learning easy to grasp and understand. Secondly, our products, they have about content and learning are heavily titled towards practical application. So for example, say I'm a student watching this and I'm not sure which domain I should choose for. I might be in my final year or my pre-final year, or I might have just passed out, or just a fresher. So we also provide interactive live sessions on our platform with industry experts. Now, for example, we also diversify our intent in giving this out in Hindi as well, largely to the most of the crowd, most of the students in India, maybe they would prefer learning it in Hindi as well. So we are coming up with more and more sessions like these. Students can just enroll for free, register, and they can just log in and watch at any time they want. Interactive sessions, live sessions are also there. And we also have, apart from this, as I was telling you, course completion certificate. Now, when you are a young professional or a student, you would like to build your LinkedIn profile or professional profile. You might be looking to, put out a certification, or certificates that you have completed on your resume, which also, makes your profile look good. And also, not only that, considering that you have a very good quality of content that you have learned for, you can also apply, because most of the content that we have here, almost 95% of the content is actually industry oriented. So it will make you ready just how to apply these things that you learn on our platform, readily available, say when you join a job. Also, what is the value for student here, and what differs? So basically, there's a lot of content available in which a student or a fresher can just go and search everything by themselves, right? So here, what we do is we have consolidated everything. As I told you, we have multiple domains and we have more than 35 courses as of now. We also have continuous live sessions which keeps going on every week. So students can either watch the recorded session or join the live session as well. Now, this leads to real skills mastery, because all of them are you get a hands-on exercise from industry experts. Also, it helps you establish your credibility. Some of the popular courses in which students might be interested are Python, say for machine learning, basics of it, machine learning foundations, introduction to R if you plan to get into data science domain, data visualization using Tableau. This is something which is very useful if you're a young professional. Cloud foundations. These are many important say starter sort of courses that we have. This is part of the 35 plus courses that we offer as of now, and we plan to expand this as well. All one needs to do is just go on greatlearning.in/academy to avail this. We also have an app, you can download it, and you just have to go there, click register, and you can avail all the courses for free, all the certificates which will be given to you after you complete for free. And also you get a advantage of interacting live with our experts that we have, a good panel of highly skilled and industry experts that we bring in.
Thank you, Mr. Prajwal.
Yeah,
now I request Mr. Bhupendra from EduTech India to address the gathering.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. I'm Bhupendra from EduTech, and I'm heading the higher educational division from EduTech side. So EduTech is basically a company who is serving to the higher educational institutions from last 29 years. And here just I want to share my screen. Yeah, I hope all of you can see the screen. Yeah. Yeah, so EduTech is basically around 29 years old company, and we uh, we are the company who brings solution in the form of physical, digital, as well as content-based solutions to higher educational, technical education institutions, by which faculties can get help to deliver their knowledge to their students in the form of hardware, software, and even content. So similarly, like we are also working in the field of higher MEC, K-12, STEM education, higher education, vocational, and as well as with the new upcoming technologies like Industry 4.0. So here we want to, so like we are across the nation, we are working with most of the IITs, NITs, state universities, private universities. So across the nation, we have more than 500 customers. So here during this time, we also thought that how we can be part of this initiative. So we have brought some of the solutions, out of which this is one of our solution from a company called Quanser. So here we have this experience control solution, which has courses in the field of control engineering, mechatronics, robotics. So these are the fields in which our from basically introductory level to advanced level, we have a different courses where people can students can learn and do their base UG as well as the PG level of learning. So here you have interactive sessions, even you have some of the recorded lectures, even you have a you can have access to the real hardware as well. You can have a real-time simulation. So there are a lot of options available. So these are the few courses, like you can have a free access to real-time simulation, sensors, communication with real hardware, which is not available with you. You can remotely access that. And there are different courses. So there are the few topics we have mentioned here, which you can choose as per your interest. Similarly, there is one more offering from a company called PTC. So PTC is a company who has a solution for designing, modeling, analysis, simulation to make your idea into a physical product. So this platform gives you solution how you can convert your idea into a physical product with different type of analysis and optimize the results. So there are several courses for that. Here during this period, we are offering this PTC Creo software free of cost for the students, so they can download and they can choose courses of their own interest. Means there is a link given, so they can select from mechanical, civil, computers, for any engineering branches. They can select the courses as per their requirements and utilize this product based on 3D designing, modeling. So they can perform their research as well as UG level learning. So similarly, here we are providing all real-time simulations, which you can verify your results and you can do your analysis. Third solution is from MTC. So here we are providing a solution on advanced manufacturing technology. Like nowadays we are talking about Industry 4.0 and so many other things. So here we have given this whole 100,000, 1,000 hour content free of cost for the students, so they can go through with this videos and assessments, and everything is there based on different topics: Industry 4.0, smart factory, CNC, robotics, automation, mechatronics. So there are many topics which can be selected by the student. So these are the few topics on CNC, robotics, automation, so which can be accessed by the students during this period. So we just wanted to contribute to this initiative. So we thought it will be helpful for the students. So there are some login credentials by which they can access these all solutions. Thank you from my side, and thank you for giving us this opportunity to be part of this initiative.
Thank you, Mr. Bhupendra. Next, Mr. N. Raju from Compete EduTech Private Limited. I request Mr. N. Raju from Compete EduTech Limited to address the gathering.
Hi, good afternoon all. My name is VSN Raju. I am CEO of Coempt EduTech Private Limited, part of Manipal Group. First of all, I would like to thank AICT for a wonderful opportunity given to us, and very good opportunity for the students. Just to give you background of Coempt EduTech, established in the year 2000, offering e-learning and examination solution to education segment. Coming to our offer, EduLib is our e-learning courseware offered to engineering college students to improve their academic skills. In the year 2013, we came up with this e-learning solution looking at the challenges faced by the engineering colleges due to lack of qualified and quality faculty. This solution successfully we launched in the year 2013, covering 6 major disciplines in engineering, nearly around 165 subjects, comprised of 2,500 topics, and e-labs, electronic labs, that is virtual labs, 700 guided simulations we have introduced. So this solution have successfully launched nearly 3 universities with 450 engineering colleges. More than 3.5 lakh students have accessed for 3 academic years. When it comes to any department, when I mention about the disciplines, if it is the computer science and IT, we are providing 39 subjects and 16 e-labs. E-labs, each laboratory has 10 experiments, and each topic in the e-learning academic module, each topic covers content with relevant images, diagrams, circuits, animations along with the voiceover. So important questions are there, and self-assessment as soon as the topic completes. This offer we are giving for 90 days. From April 2nd, we have launched this solution for the students. So up to June end, we are offering free. So it is a free of cost. Any engineering student can access this edulib.in and enter into, then they can register and access the content. Thank you. So stay safe. Okay, thank you very much, AICT, for this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you, Mr. Raju. I request Mr. Abhay Singhal from X equals 0 Company Private Limited to address the gathering.
Hello. Hi, this is Abhay, and I represent TikTok2, which is a mental health platform. It is very, very heartening to see AICT bringing in amazing experts, mentors, and companies together for this joint response to COVID-19. Now, one key variable which is often ignored but is defining in improving learning outcomes is emotional quotient. Happiness has been proven to improve your problem-solving ability, your memory, and your creativity. Now, in student life, there are usual challenges related to adolescence and teenage and moving out of protective environments for the first time and being exposed to independent living. Now, COVID-19 outbreak particularly has posed serious challenges, particularly for students' life. there is a lot of uncertainty around education, career, internships, and placements. And all of this can have a tremendous negative impact on one's mental health. And to make matters worse, because of the physical isolation, COVID-19 outbreak has also limited the physical access to counseling. To overcome this, via the NEET platform, TikTok too is enabling access to quality mental health support by connecting psychologists and counselors and enabling psychometric assessments to students. Now, this we do through mobile application and through cloud telephony. Our counselors are available around the clock to extend counseling services to students. And my sincere suggestion to students who are watching is to proactively take good care of their health. These are very uncertain times. Whenever you feel you need any support, please reach out for support. We are here for you. Finally, I want to thank again AICT for this wonderful opportunity. And we promise to continue making sincere efforts to fight COVID-19 and make this wonderful initiative successful. Thank you.
So thanks, Mr. Abhay, for such impressive, and it's a need of an hour today for all the students and faculties. So thank you for your presentation. Now I request Mr. Manish from Awaken the Genius, the company Awaken the Genius Private Limited, to address the participants.
Yeah. Every student strives for academic success. Now, what do you mean by academic success? They would like to get better marks so that they can enter the institute of their choice or join the company that they'd like to. But to get better marks, they need to be studying. So let's try to analyze what is it that they do while they study. Well, most students, they do 5 things when they study. First, they open their books and read. Second, they underline important words and make notes. Third, they memorize these notes in some way. Fourth, they go to old question papers and hope that the same or similar question is repeated for me. And finally, they pray. They pray that they can recall the answer during exam time. Now, most education institutes are not able to do justice to the first 3 things. Because the amount of time spent in traveling, the amount of time spent in social media, where do the students get their time from? Their study time. So the study time has gone down. And on the other hand, the amount of information to be absorbed has gone up exponentially thanks to the internet. So is there a way out? So what we do is, we help them in the first 3. We help them to read faster with comprehension. We help them to make better notes, brain-friendly notes. And the third is, we help them memorize these notes. Now, how many hours a day does a child study for? Maybe 3-4 hours. Would you like to take a guess on how many words in a minute they read? Let's say, for calculation's sake, 100. So now would it make a difference in their life if they're shown how to double their reading speed with comprehension? It'll make a huge difference, right? They'll save time. And on the back of my screen, you will see my wife and business partner, Jas, is the world speed reading champion. So that's an easily achievable, learnable skill. First thing we help them do is read fast. Second, we help them use mind maps so that they can convert their 5 or 10-page chapter onto a single sheet. So again, they save time while revising. Third, we help them memorize things. You ask any child how many times do they have to listen to a song before they memorize it? They'll say just a couple of times. But the same brain is reading that textbook chapter many, many times. Why does that happen? So we have now got on our mobile app, which is called Awaken the Genius. Awaken the Genius, all they have to do is go onto that Play Store, type in Awaken the Genius and look for the study skills package. That will teach them how to read fast, how to make brain-friendly notes using mind maps, and how to memorize them. And we've also shared with them the revision formula. So that's what we do. We change the lives of students, we change their fortunes so that they get better marks and do very well in life. Thanks AICT for all your support. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Now I request Mr. Arshad from Words May Education Technology. Words May Education Technology, Mr. Arshad.
Hello everyone, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Please continue.
Yes, let me share the screen. Yes, good afternoon, everyone. This is Harshad from Pune, from WordsMy EduTech Private Limited. We are one of the startups incubated at IIM Calcutta as well as Pune University. We have won many awards like Smart 50 Solutions to Transform India, and we have received a grant from DST as well as a social enterprise. What we do is we solve the challenge of poor English communication skills of students. We improve their confidence and impact in their communication so that they can present themselves well in interviews confidently. It improves their employability, chances of getting a good job, as well as better salaried jobs. We do this using innovative blended approach. With our own app, students get theory on our own app, and we get practice sessions in classroom, in colleges, in companies, or also online workshops and live webinars. We do this as a course with pre and post course assessments as well. So far, we have empowered 8,000 students in various universities and colleges in Maharashtra. One of the key component is students like our course because it's engaging on the app as well as in classroom. So they complete a course with around 70% completion rate, which is very high for an online course. And we continue to get very positive rating from students. I really want to thank AICTE for giving us this opportunity as well as to students, because already we have received 5,000 entries and downloads. Already 5,000 students have started our course with this just single initiative. And it shows the reach of AICTE as well as it shows the need and the hunger of students in this lockdown period to continue to improve themselves. So with AICTE, what we are offering for free till the lockdown is that app-based courses for communication and interview preparation, so that they can present themselves well in their interviews. What students will definitely like about our app is the chat-based delivery. It feels very engaging, just like WhatsApp, and it has audio-visual content with our expert trainers. The app is available on Play Store as well as App Store. All students have to do is register themselves on the AICTE website and on our page, and they'll get immediately an email with detailed instructions of downloading the app. For any technical queries, there is a tech support right in the app, or they can email us at support@wordsmya.com. Thank you, AICTE. Thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you, Arshad. Now I request Priyanka to address the gathering. Is Priyanka from
hello,
from
this
robotics,
is
Cognition Robotics. Yeah.
hello, this is Sanchita, and I am representing Cognition Robotics. I am actually from STEM Academy, and we work with students and institutes all over the world delivering experiences in emerging technologies. STEM Academy is the partner of Cognition Robotics in India. So I'll just share my screen. Okay, I think my screen is already shared. I hope it's visible to all of you.
Yes, it's visible. Please go ahead.
Yes. So Cognition Robotics is actually a platform which helps learners to learn about robotics and coding. So first of all, I would like to say that robotics and robots are one of the most globally used platforms which are used for teaching robotics and programming to learners. But unfortunately, only 1 or 2% of the students all over the world actually get access to robots and to work on them.
So I request next expert from HED experts.
Yes, sir, I'm here. Good afternoon.
Yeah, please, you can share your slide and you can start addressing the question.
I will do that. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Shrestha here. I'm a product manager with Accelerator, and our parent company is HED Experts. Before I get started, I wanted to thank AICTE for giving us this opportunity and for the feat that they have pulled off in such a short span of time. I think this is a great way for students to continue learning even with all the disruptions happening around us. Right? So I'm actually getting a notification which says I can't share my screen while there is another participant sharing.
Okay, you can continue without screen, no? Can you continue without screen? Because I think there is some error which is happening. So
Got
you
it.
continue without your screen.
Yeah, sure. I can continue, sir. Yeah. Okay. So we are primarily a skill augmentation platform. We work. Our aim is to bridge the gap between industry and academia. We work with colleges, students, and companies to kind of help bridge this gap, right? So we have almost 600 plus industry partners who work with us to put up various learning interventions and content on the platform. This content is made available to all our students so that they can take any of these various learning interventions, complete them, and land a job once they have completed this, right? And for colleges and professors, the platform again offers all of this content to help them augment the. Okay, perfect. Let me just try sharing my screen now. Please let me know if it's visible.
Yeah, it's visible. It's visible.
Okay, perfect. Cool. So what I was talking about, right? Like we work with companies who help put up content on the platform. This content is then made available to students for them to pursue, right? And for colleges and professors, the platform not only offers all of this content to kind of augment the ongoing curriculum or syllabi that is being delivered in the college, but apart from that, we also offer various tools and methods which can be used to modernize their delivery, their day-to-day classroom delivery. Right. So let me just quickly talk about the student bit for a little bit more. So the platform is seeded with thousands of hours of content across various domains, and the students are free to choose any of these courses. The platform also has about 350 to 400 industry relevant projects that the students can take up and pursue. Right. So every student on the platform gets what we call as a dashboard. All of these interventions are recommended to the student on this dashboard, depending on the degree that they're pursuing or depending upon their interested career paths. Right. So we recommend these various interventions to students, and as and when students take up and do these interventions, they build what we call as an accelerator portfolio, right? And also an accelerator score, which kind of acts like an employability score, right? So this is from a student point of view. And of course, we also have an app for the students, because I think all of us know and acknowledge the fact that there are very few students today who spend more time on laptop as compared to their mobile devices. So everything that you just saw is made available to the students on their app. Right. So moving on to the colleges and the professors, like I was saying, not only does the platform come seeded with a lot of content for professors to use, but we also offer professors and colleges to author their own content and to deliver and share the content that they have authored with their students. Right. So for delivery, there are various tools that we offer, and there are a lot of tools that we offer for monitoring and tracking as well. Right. Especially during this lockdown phase, if a college would want to use it, the platform helps them kind of keep track of, how much of their course has been delivered, what is the student performance look like, what is the student interaction look like, right? Are the students actually doing whatever the professors want them to do? So all of these tracking and monitoring capabilities are made available to a college and a professor. Right. And like I was talking, there's also an authoring capability where professors can go author their own content and put up their own content. Right. So the way all of this comes together is, like I was mentioning at the beginning, the companies help put up all these learning interventions for us on the platform. As and when students take up and complete these learning interventions, they pop up on the various company dashboards that we have on the platform. So they become prospective candidates or prospective students to recruit for these companies. And the students' portfolio that we saw a little while ago is what is shared with all of these companies to recruit the students. Right. So in a nutshell, this is how we bring the different stakeholders together onto the platform to kind of try and bridge the gap. Right. I think that's about it from my side.
Hello, this is Sanchita from Cognition Robotics. Actually,
Yes.
I lost connection while speaking.
Yeah. You can upload, Sanchita. You can upload your slide and you can start.
Okay. I'm just going to stop sharing. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. So this is Sanchita from Cognition Robotics. I'm actually from STEM Academy based in Bangalore, and we are the partners of Cognition Robotics in India. Cognition is a company which is based in Canada. So the Cognition platform basically provides the users to learn robotics and coding. So when we look into the big problem, actually robotics is one of the most globally used platform which is used for teaching robotics. But robots are not very easily available, and unfortunately only 2 to 3% of the children around the world are able to learn with robotics. So, and one of the important factors why robotics is not available to so many children is because not only it's difficult, we are not able to provide robotics kits to all the students all over the world, and moreover there is a cost involved in acquiring robotics kits. So the solution which we have over here is simulation. So what we decided is, if we simulate or we do a replication of a physical robot, then the robot will be available to the students and they will be able to use it to learn. So we use the Lego Education EV3 Mindstorms is a robot which is provided by Lego Education, and these are programmable robots which has an intelligent brick, motors, sensors attached to it, and it uses an icon-based or Python-based programming to program the robot. So what we at Cognition have done is we have prepared a simulator for the EV3 Mindstorms robot. So the EV3 Mindstorms robot can be fitted into these virtual worlds. Okay, and these robots actually are very close to the real life robots. They actually follow the laws of physics like friction, gravity. So they are very close to what real life robots are. So using the virtual robotics toolkit, what students can do is, first of all, they can build their own models using CAD software. All the components of the EV3 Mindstorms are available, using which they can build their robots. Then they are able to program it. And after programming, they can place it in these virtual worlds and actually see the output of how it would have actually worked in the real world. So these robots are also used very widely. The virtual robotics toolkit is the software. This simulation software is widely used for various competitions all over the world, like the first Lego League, the World Robotics Olympiad. So where the students actually build the robots in the simulation software, and then they also try it out with the physical robots. This software can also be used in mainstream education for teaching students programming as well as robotics. So as rightly said by Mr. Anthony of Microsoft Education, if we can provide this simulation technology, this virtual robotics software to the students, then more and more people will get access to robotics and they can be engaged in a very fruitful way. So we at STEM Academy are available to provide an initial hand-holding session with the students and also clear all their doubts. And I would like to thank AICTE for providing us this platform for showcasing our software. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Now we'll go for question and answer session. So now it's the forum is open for question and answer session.
Sir, good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, sir.
I am Dr. V. Dinagaran, professor from Chennai Institute of Technology, Tamil Nadu. I congratulate AICTE and all the officials for its wonderful initiatives for the knowledge enhancement of faculty as well as students community. Also, I thank the guests from different higher institute and the experts from various edtech companies. My question is to Mr. Prajwal, Great Lake E-Learnings. How do Great Learning products or courses differ from other products offered by different edtech and e-learning firms? This is my question, sir.
Can you hear me, sir? Can you see me?
Yeah, we can hear you. Please continue.
Okay, just a second. So first of all, the thing is that we have multiple courses in different domains. Now, you might find courses the student might want to just go and learn by themselves, right? But here it's something different. Basically, what we do is we give some sort of a value offering to the student so that they can use it, right? And so first of all, see, we have top selective faculties. We also have tie-ups with good institutes and also universities like Purdue and Stanford, etc. And apart from this, we have a vast experience from these faculties in their respective domains. Now, even if you just go on our website and see, that is greatlearning.in/academy, you'll see that there are already live sessions which have been planned up, and students can just attend them. And even if you want some sort of a guidance, you will get a guidance as well. Not only just learning from the courses, this is what completes your set of learning. It's not about just completing the courses, but also that experience that comes in from industry experts. That is the plus point that we have. And also I'd like to say that our product content and learning are heavily tilted towards practical applications, like using hand-on assessments and projects which involve students to learn, apply, practice, and also build things, models, making the students more employable. So that is what I would say, two of the points that would differentiate us.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, sir. Please continue.
This is Senthil Sivasubramanian, representing Sharda Group of Institution, Hindustan College of Science and Technology, Farah, Mathura. First of all, I would like to thank and congratulate the novel initiative by AICTE with the collaborative approach with the startups in starting this unique novel approach program of online programs. My question is to EduTech company, EduTech India. What is the role of EduTech and how these courses will be benefiting the students? Thank you.
Thank you, Sendal sir, for asking this question. And I can just, I'm Bhupendra. I just want to update you on that. EduTech India is the partner for these companies who are manufacturer and belongs to different countries around the globe. So we are the local partner for them in India and giving a handhold between the institute and the OEM. So here for local support for and bringing those OEMs to in Indian time zone and for arranging everything locally. So this is our role, and for local support, technical and any kind of help you need from our side. So we are here. Second thing is that sorry, we have offered 3 courses. So these courses are into mechatronics, control engineering, for robotics. So there are many courses related to that, like more than 50 chapters are available for that. That is starting from introductory level to advanced level, where you can even complete your research. Even you have access of remote lab, where you can access the actual hardware, means at the OEM side, you can run your algorithm and test at OEM side. So all that, even you can have a lot of recorded sessions from different universities, professors, which give you a benefit for that. So this is one example. And apart from that, like we have another company called PTC. So similarly for PTC, we have a solutions for IoT, augmented reality, computer aided design, so product lifestyle management, and likewise so many other fields where we are filling gap between industries and academics. So you have so many courses, and students can, depending on engineering streams, students can select the courses as per their requirements. Like here, PTC Creo software is a quite expensive software, but during this period, we are offering it free. So students can download it free of cost and they can start using it. So similarly, one more product is there that called MTC. So we have so many courses in that, in the field of Industry 4.0, factory automation, CNC, robotics, automation, mechatronics. So there are a lot of courses available, which engineering students is starting from UG level to maybe PG, and for some of the courses, even PhD students can also get benefited out of this. So we are just trying to fill this gap between industry and academics requirement.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I
Thank you,
appreciate
sir.
this novel initiative. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So actually, next, Professor Rangasamy has texted me. I think he had some technical issue. That question is to TikTok, to Mr. Abhay Singhal. What is the relevance of mental health for students, and how this TikTok too supporting the students, especially in the times of COVID-19? This is to Mr. Singhal. Can you answer for
Yes,
this?
sir. Yes, sir. So essentially speaking, sir, mental health essentially works on two levels with students. One is the part of positive psychology, where good mental health leads to enhancing your problem solving abilities, your creativity, and improving the learning outcomes. And on the side, students are particularly vulnerable because of, let's say, the biological age, right? This is the teenage time. They're away from their home and they're first time exposed to independent living. So there are many challenges which a student faces and which can have negative impacts on the mental health. These could lead further due to COVID-19 particularly. There is a lot of uncertainty. There is a fear of getting the disease. There is a fear of making a career at this age. All this can have negative impact on mental health, and this negative mental health can really reduce the functionality of a student in terms of learning also and growing in general. Now, with regards to how TikTok too is working in this field space as of now, so one is because of COVID-19, the physical access to the counselor has been limited. Secondly, also when there is this stigma in society with regards to mental health, and the inconvenient truth is even the most well-meaning parents, family members, and even professors are at times not accessible to students as they may think. There is a very complex emotional ecosystem that includes deep guilt, shame, fear of rejection, and labor pressures of self-image, insecurity of future, which sort of inhibits them to reach out to help from these sources. So what we have done is we are enabling, one is remote access to a psychologist via texting and calling. Now, so this solves the problem of physical access, but also now you could access this help through a mobile platform and essentially being anonymous. So you don't need to reveal who you are, but you can for help. That sort of really eases out the person's inhibition because of the stigma, and people can really, students can come to the platform and get help as when needed. So that's the way we are reaching out through the NEET platform. We're also enabling psychometric assessment so that we can actually move the clinical diagnosis and the outcomes, and also share that progress with NEET via our analytics engine. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Abhay Singhal. So I request next question from the participants.
Hello everyone, I'm Anupama from PMC Tech Hosur. My question is for Sunil of ProTeam. Can you highlight 3 things which will provide a great value, especially for millions of students in India?
Sure. Thank you, Anupama, for asking me that question. I guess if you look at the Indian landscape, you would quickly realize that there is a very high dearth of counseling and assessments and counselors. So I think the first thing that would impact millions of students in India is the availability of assessment which has passed the test of global reliability and validity, available wherever they are. And this would really give them an insight into what are their independent and individual strengths and interests. I just saw that, Professor Kark, that it is important to have information and courses available for students across India in multiple languages. So while we already have multiple languages, what I feel is important have the experiential and practical experience available for students on various types of skill sets across varied professions. And that's something that will make an impact to millions of students. The last thing that I feel that every student needs to really realize early on what is his or her career readiness going forward. And that's something, in the form of a career quotient that students can build, which would be very relevant to the industry by way of knowing what are their strengths and interests. How much is their professional awareness? In the real life, it's not just about what you are doing. You have to work in teams. Therefore, it's important that you know what others do as well and value and respect that. Like you have to respect many different subjects in life. As added associated there are functional or work courses. There is how we way of our cognition and knowledge framework, and there's also a basis to what are relevant skills globally as defined by the World Economic Forum. So I think we have something for the students which will help them irrespective of what they are studying in college, as well as whichever industry or profession that they get employed into. And for lifelong. So these are the three things I feel we have in Protein that will impact millions of students. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your answer. I request you to stop your screen sharing. So I request next question from the participants.
Yes, I have.
Thank you, sir. Any questions from the participants? I think I got a message from Professor Ranganayakalu, who is a dean from Guru Nanak Institution of Technical Campus. So this question is for IEEE to Mr. Manas. The question is how Leap covers all tracks in the software industry. What makes IEEE different?
Yeah, right. Am I audible?
Yeah, I'm audible. Please continue.
Yeah, right. If you see the exact current problem faced by students to get placed in IT, so it is like becoming running behind this skill set and that skill set, and immediately as soon as their skill set is or they are trained on that particular skill set, the technology is upgraded to next one. So example, let's say they learn Selenium version 1.0, so Selenium 3.0 immediately comes into market. So that is the biggest challenge. So what we do, we empower them to acquire all key tracks into IT by the way of Leap. Leap is delivered in a fast track way, and during Leap we also empower them practically and theoretically to acquire all 5 tracks of IT. Basically, we make them jack of all in positive way. Yeah, so jack of all, though they are not master of any track, but they are jack of all, and that jack can be used anywhere. Another quick 20-second example, let's say any big tier 1 company like Infosys is hiring 500 students for development track. And let's say that project for which they hired is gone. So they don't have an option to maybe place these students into some another project. Maybe immediately through IJP, through internal job posting, if these students are ready in other 4 tracks like testing or business analysis or database, so that tier 1 company might want to put these students through IJP there. So that is the theme basically. So student and industry both are at greater value in this case. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you, sir. Now I request our Chief Coordinating Officer, Mr. Buddha Chandrasekhar, to give some concluding remarks before we close the session.
Yeah, thank you, everyone. It was a very interactive session. First, I would like to thank my fellow AICT team members and the esteemed selection panel and amazing companies, who represented and demonstrated their product capabilities and how it is useful for our students. I'm sure the students, as you all giving us inputs, that we are getting, you are getting a lot of traction. We as AACT want you to grow along with us. So we always welcome your suggestions, and I'm sure within this session you would have learned something which you don't know. And we all are learning, and under leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, now we are in a new India. So we are going, if you see, we are from a developing country to we are moving towards a developed country. And with help of companies like you, and I don't see you as a company, I see you as a guide, for our students. And you are basically helping them and fine-tuning their future, with help of tools which you have created. And I really thank all of you. And I'm sure very soon our country is going to be a Vishwaguru, as described by Honorable ex-President Abdul Kalam ji. And I request you to all please be in touch with us. And if you have any suggestions or if you see something useful to our students, feel free to share with us. Thank you very much, and be safe, and don't go out, and let's maintain the social distance. Thank you. Namaskar. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your concluding remark. I thank our chairman, sir, vice chairman, sir, member secretary, and our chief coordinating officer for joining this session. And also a special thank to the experts again who have been spent their valuable time during this COVID period with a limited resource. Thank you, sir, for joining this session. I thank all the industries who are being very supportive, which would benefit the country in a big way. The students and faculty member will be benefiting out of your product very much. Thank you once again for giving this product as a free for the benefit of our student and faculty members. Looking forward for your continuous support for the benefit of student and faculty members. Thank you once again, everyone, for joining this meeting. Thank you all.
Thank you. Thanks.